can see the liquid gold in a little pool in the middle of the bar there. It's sort of shrinking towards the middle of the bar. Once that disappears, that means that the whole thing has gone solid and we're able to flip it out. So just get my tray in place. And everybody is ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and that is our fresh bar, folks. Pretty impressive, eh? No, of course, because the phones are all still here, but that's okay. So, if you just wanted a quick demo of exactly how hot it is, this is kind of what we're working with this morning. So, as you can see, still definitely too hot to touch. We're talking 8 or 900 degrees. So we'll just pop it down, and we'll just get the lights up so you can see it when it's no longer glowing. All right. Is everybody ready to see a fresh gold bar? Here we go. Here it is. That is our fresh bar of gold. So, as you can see, still a bit of steam rising off that thing. So